Heads or tails? You.
Okay.
Fruit machine.
Heads or tails?
Tails.
It is heads.
We start.
You start.
Okay.
Okay, I am against euthanasia because everyone has got a life for reasons. Also, you have a lot of pain. I can understand that a person wants to get rid of the pain, but you have always your family and friends who cares about you and support you. So that is already a reason why we don't do euthanasia.
Yes,
I'm not agrees.
me too. Because some of the people don't like it that their family have to watch them in a bad condition.
Yes, and you not think about your family because it's your decision and not a reason that you're still alive for your family. Yes, but your family would found it bad.
Yes, but
yes,
they don't like
They
it to
cares
see
about
you.
you.
Yeah,
So-
they care about you and they don't want you to suffer, but it's your own life and you're not going to die because they don't want to see you suffer.
But it's your own decision.
You say it,
also.
it's your own life.
It's your
Yeah.
own decision.
You're against.
We are against. You're for
Yes,
we are
You want
for.
to die.
Yes, it's your own decision
Yes,
to
you
die.
say it.
Yeah, but your family don't want to see you suffer. So why are you going to die just because of them?
Because I will die.
And they don't want to see you in a bad condition.
Yes.
Yeah.
When you
But
can't
if
see
you're
They don't want to
everything
see you
anymore.
dead also.
they don't want to see you dead also. So
But when you don't realize that you're alive, they. Allez,
what do you mean?
so when you don't know by yourself that you're alive, it's the same like you're dead.
Yes.
Oh, so you mean when you can't decide yourself?
Yes,
Yeah. So
it's the same like that.
what
Because
do
you
mean
can't
if
talk anymore. You can't. Allez,
There is no medication, and there's
Who says there's no medication?
Yes.
There are different cases.
yes, but not in not for everyone.
Yeah.
And
But
when
maybe
you
the
dis-
patient might recover from
Yeah.
an illness against the odds. Yes,
Maybe-
doctors' diagnosis might be wrong.
Yes,
So,
but quite a
maybe-
few doctors have expressed that euthanasia is the right way to go when they had to take a lot of medicines. It's not funny, eh?
Yes.
When
but
you
No,
have
but-
to take each day. When you have to take each day a lot of medicines.
yeah, it's not
I
the
don't
thing to-
understand you, I think.
No, I don't understand what you're saying. So you mean it's not okay to take a lot of medicines?
It's not funny for yourself.
Yeah, but
It's
you
nice.
just said
Then it's a drug.
I'm
Then
sorry.
it's a drug. When you take a lot of medicines.
But she was talking about that you can't decide yourself, and then about medicines.
Yes?
Yes.
Yeah,